Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing an anti-aging video on something that claims to give me instant results. Yes, I said that right. And I'm going to try to convince Eric tonight to do this because Eric, I have wrinkles right here, as you can see. But Eric actually has a much deeper wrinkles. I'm not saying it so loud because I don't want to hurt his feelings. And I mean, he has the bags really bad, but he has the crow's feet. He has a lot. He's older than me, my husband, but he has deeper wrinkles. So when I read that this says instant, I was like, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna try it, and I'm gonna show to you guys whether or not you should get it and purchase it or not. Anyways, let me go ahead and tell you what it is.
Lactic acid treatment. It says here, deeply exfoliates for a clear and radiant complex. Visibly brightens the appearance of hyperpigmentation. Instantly, this is where we get to the instantly. Instantly, yes, you heard that, plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles. This is by Sunday Riley. I think it's by, I don't know, it's by Sunday Riley or Good Gems, one of them.
So it says here in the back that we apply in the morning and night. But if it's instant, we should see it tonight. And I'm gonna record and put this in real time and test this company out because it really bugs me. Like, oh, when a product comes out and it says instant results and I try it out and it doesn't do jack diddly. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to convince Eric to hop in the shower. I'm gonna hop in the shower with him, maybe not. And we're gonna put it on right after. And I'm gonna record it and let you guys know. I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so I literally just got out of the shower. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Eric said that he'll do it in a little bit after, well, he's watching a show right now. So he's gonna shower and we're gonna do it on his skin in a little bit. So here it is when you open it up. Now, just FYI, I do get some tiny, the finest little lines sometimes right here. So I'm gonna look there and we're obviously gonna look at these deeper ones, see if they go away. I really have no idea what to expect since it does say that it is an acid. It honestly just feels kind of like I'm putting a lotion on my skin. So we put quite a good amount on those areas. I'm gonna put it through the rest of my face and just see how it feels. Now I'm gonna give this about 10 minutes to dry and come back and see if there is a difference. Okay guys, so it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna show you the pictures of before and after. And honestly, I don't know, what do you guys think? Besides the fact that my skin might look a little bit more clear, because it's like once it dries, it almost kind of, I don't know, it kind of takes away the shine on my skin. So it's almost like it makes my skin look a little mattified in the photo. But you can see what it looks like now. Now, before we get to the photo, I do want to tell you that my skin turned a very, very red the first 2 minutes. It almost felt like a warming sensation was on my skin. So obviously it was doing something, but I don't see a huge difference besides the color, because like I said, it makes me look more matte and clear on the before picture. But if you actually just looking at the wrinkles, you go ahead and tell me if you see a difference. And then I'll see you guys in a bit with Eric. So this is the next morning. Eric fell asleep watching his movie. Just look at me, honey, at the camera. So I'm going to zoom into some of his lines and we're going to see if it does instant results. So you have that right there and the forehead. And you have that right there. So are we going to see a big difference in those lines? We will see in a second. Okay guys, so I'm only gonna do this side of the face and see if we see an instant difference. So you see the line all the way across. Let's go ahead and put it on half of his face and see if there is a reduction. And I'm gonna work it in. It's drying down really fast. So do you guys see a difference from one side to the other? Eric and I looked really close at that photo, and it almost gives the appearance that the lines are smoother over here. He has deeper embedded wrinkles, and you saw how this wrinkle and these wrinkles went all the way across, and this side just looks a tad bit smoother. What do you think?
Me personally, yeah, I think it kind of looks a little bit better.
But not like a tremendous difference?
Well, it's just one tried, so we just tried it
It's
once.
supposed to be instant. It's supposed to be like first try, then you see results. So, do you think it's instant? What would you say?
I feel like the lines are gonna like blend it a little bit.
Okay.
So, but it's not like boo, you know.
Like
I look like 20 years younger or anything like that.
It just made your skin look smoother. And mind you, Eric has dry skin, and I have oily skin. Okay. Okay, guys, final thoughts. What did you think? Did you see a difference? Actually, when I'm reviewing the photos of mine personally, I saw a slight difference in my wrinkle under, and I guess it's not really a wrinkle. It's a line that I have under my eye, on one of my eyes. If you look, like it looks a little shorter in one photo compared to the other. And then on Eric's before and after, yeah, I thought on Eric's it was more of a drastic difference. So I'm going to actually say that the instant results, I did see instant results. Was it like dramatic? No, but it was visible. It did fill in. I mean, you saw his line went from here all the way across, and over here it just kind of looked smoother, and like he said, it looked blurred. So that's a great word to use. It looked blurred. But does it mean it was instant? Yeah, it does, because I saw results the first time using it. So I'm going to actually give this product a thumbs up. So I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.